Ask a language model what was in your company's quarterly report, and it will answer instantly with total confidence and be completely wrong. Its memory froze the day training ended. It never saw your private data, and instead of admitting that, it fills the gap with a confident guess. So how do we let it answer questions about things it never learned? There are really two roads here, and people mix them up constantly. The first is fine-tuning, where you take the model and rewrite its weights, training it further until the new knowledge is baked into the brain. That works, but it's slow, it's expensive, and the moment the facts change, you have to do it all over again. The second road is retrieval. You don't touch the brain at all, you just look the answer up at the moment you need it. Fine-tuning sends the scholar back to school, while retrieval simply hands them the right book. But how does the library find the right book among millions? Not by matching keywords, but by meaning. Every document gets chopped into chunks, and each chunk becomes a vector, a point in a space where things that mean similar things land close together. Reports about money cluster over here, notes about products over there. The whole library becomes a map of meaning. Now watch what happens when a question comes in. The question becomes a vector too, dropped into that very same space, and suddenly finding relevant material is just geometry. We look at the points nearest the question and grab the closest few, the handful of chunks whose meaning sits right next to what was asked. Those retrieved chunks get pasted into the prompt right in front of the question and handed to the model. Now it isn't answering from frozen memory, it's reading off the page in front of it. That's the whole name. Retrieval finds the right text, augmentation adds it to the context, and generation writes the answer. And because it's reading a real source, it can even cite where the answer came from. And here's the distinction everyone misses. Fine-tuning changes who the model is, its skills, its style, its instincts. Retrieval changes what the model can see right now, its facts, today's data. You don't retrain a librarian every time a new book arrives. You just put it on the shelf. So a lot of what feels like a smarter model is really just a better library behind it. And that's it for retrieval-augmented generation. If this helped it click, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Bye bye.